Look at that. We high up in the mountains, looking down at the plebs, at the what do you call it again? The city folk. Just saw this creature here. We have no idea what it is. It's nighttime. Very fascinating. Look at it compared to the size of my hand. And it has these jaws in the front there. Tough armor back. Bright colors. Yeah, some kind of beetle. Larvae. At first I thought it was a snake because I just saw this part. I thought it was false coral. It was feeding on this mango. Mash up mango. So here now, this is the camping spot here. Here with Bush Monster, the Daniel, and my sister. Well, we want to fix up this place now. We camp done fix up. It's dark in here, but let me turn on some lights there. Yes, we hammock there set, and hammock here set. We have a good shelter there. Fixing up yourself there to go and explore. Then after you go cook something, yes? Now about to start the journey. We're gonna walk through the bush and see what is there to offer. Wow, look at the moths. Magic. Don't really know what this is, but it's fuzzy to the touch. Looks like a family to the bygone. Just see something here. Oh, look at I saw this skink. I think this is a lesser. Can't remember how to tell the difference. Something with
stripes on his side.
Yeah.
He was giving us the skink eye.
Yeah. This looking more like the lesser.
Look, guys.
So this is actually the greater windward skink. It's very similar to the lesser windward skink, and most people just confuse the shiny lizard as a juvenile skink. But this is one of only two skinks found in Trinidad. Look at the amount of butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at them. Look at that. Some kind of bird. Check out this. This plant is dread. Someone let me know it as Manikou fig or penguin. This one's small, but it could get almost 10 feet in diameter with several suckers shooting out. And they will have a small flower and thing in the center, and have small fruits that have hairs and tough skin, and it's sweet and nice. It's work to get it, and you had to get past these thorns. It's sharper than pineapple. Manicou fig. Look, a large one. Look at that leaf. And it's work to get the fruit in the center, but this one don't have no fruit. Have a pinkish cluster of flowers. Let's be in the center. Look, the fruit of the penguin in the
Really young on the chop up the tree.
Yeah,
Well,
kind of
up
like
in the
a
mountain.
giant ship.
When I
The
reach on top of the
city.
hill, they go see the view. Trust me.
But look, if you look, it have a whole bunch of hairs here, and the fruit underneath, but the young bush monster get out of fruit. This how the fruit is look. Not so attractive. It's green, but it's hairy and it's tough. And inside, I don't know if you can make it out, but there are some seeds there. It's white inside and smells alright, but you don't want to eat it when it's like this.
They eat that no, it's trapped till next year. You know.
But yeah, they eat this only when it's ripe. A tough fruit to get to, and that way you don't really see it on the market just so. After it flower and fruit, the plant dies, but it have a whole set of suckers and the seeds viable. This thorny thing, these leaves, is a silk cotton tree. The largest, or I should say one of, but I believe it's the largest plant in Trinidad and Tobago. Tree. When it's young, it have these thorns to protect it, but as it grows older, it loses the thorns. And it grows massive. Like if you saw the video with the hidden giants, with the massive silk cotton tree we was around, is how it is when it's young. Grows up to be a giant with stories to tell. Bush monster. Spot this spider. It is reddish. You can't really pick up the red color with this camera, but it's an interesting spider. Some Congola frogs there. The thing. And we just saw this. A monkey frog. Tree nesting frog on this standpipe in the bush.
Look, the tadpoles.
Tadpoles. Look how much. Does it have water in this thing? Ah, it has water. He knows. Interesting. Light away from it. Look at the size of that Zanji. It's a good size. Around almost 2 feet. So this is a brown cuss crab. A lot of you may know it as that name. But they have two other names like black cuss crab and grey cuss crab. But those are not really known. It is a very popular fish. It is found in every waterway throughout Trinidad and Tobago. But most people know this fish to make good fried rice. The fish is used to make good fried rice. They get a night crawler there. A night crawler and some grubs. Look, one Zanji, a next Zanji there, and a next one over there. 3 Zanjis in one thing of water. Slimy creatures. Oh. Look at him there. Yeah. You just see a manicou. Look at it.
Where is he going to go? I think it's a female.
A female.
Yeah, look at the pouch big.
When I get close. A nice Manikou. Hey. A nice Manikou. After we get a few pictures and things, go and let it be. Oh, well, he's still getting picture. I'm going up. We heading back to camp there now. We're on the top of the mountain there, and look, city. So we make it back to camp. I am exhausted. I'm tired. We all are tired and we are hungry. We're gonna see to cook there now, as you all know. I am the wildlife master. And until next time, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. And blessings, bless out.